Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. Yeah, today I decided to do a DIY mask that I usually do before. The last time I did it was 2 months ago. I started noticing acne on my face of recent, so I decided to do it today. I used to do it before, like every Fridays. It usually helps me very well. It leaves my skin spotless. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join the family. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button either below or above, depending on what you're watching with. And you guys, please on your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video from me. Share this video to friends, leave a comment below, and give this video a huge thumbs up. So let's jump right into the video. First, you need a bowl and a spoon to measure all the ingredients, which is very important because you don't want to exceed the amount needed. You will need nutmeg. Nutmeg has astrigent and inflammatory properties. In fact, it is traditionally been used to treat eczema and other skin infections or skin conditions, and it helps to fade acne and scars. Oatmeal is very important on the face because it has cleansing, exfoliant and moisturizing properties. It makes your skin feel soft, smooth, healthy and radiant. It also provides numerous skin benefits. You will also need lemon. Lemon serves as blackhead treatment. It may sound so good to be true, but because lemons are antibacterials, they can help treat acne. Its juice brightens the skin. They are also rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Honey is also part of the ingredients you will need. Honey is naturally an antibacterial agent. It's great for acne treatment and prevents aging. It also serves as complexion booster. It extremely moisturizes and smoothens the skin, and it also gives the skin that glow. In the bowl, crush 2 tablespoons of oatmeal into powder form. Add 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix into a paste and then add 2 tablespoons of honey to the mixture and mix very well. This measurement will give you this consistency or this result. Gently apply the mixture on your face and then allow for 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash it with lukewarm water and just pat dry your face with a very soft towel. That, apply a bit of moisturizer. Repeat this once or twice a week for a month. It will really help fade out the scars and acne on your face. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, we'd like to know what you guys think about this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and on your notification, please on your notification button so you don't get to miss any new video from this channel. Share to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.